Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see some new updates of Trado and some new features also. Let's go to this dashboard, and from here we can select any of the broker we want to trade with. Currently we have 6 options now. Okay, let's log in with finvasia one. Now a sign in page will open. From here you can sign in with your login credentials. Okay, after clicking on this sign in, it will take few seconds to connect with your broker server. Just wait for few seconds. Okay, now it's connected. Now we are ready to go. The first updates which we have, that is, now we have a setting button on our terminal page. Okay, see, we have a setting button. If you click on this setting button, we have this few options. Okay, now we have a new feature, that is predefined target SL on the basis of percentage also. Previously, we had only point based predefined target SL and trailing points. Now we have percent based also. Simply click on this percent base. See, now this all predefined target SL and trailing points, it's resetted to percent based. Okay, if you click on this point based, then it will set to point based, or if you select this percent, then percent based. Okay, and to check this percent based target SL, we will take few trades to check this predefined target SL and trailing points, how this works. Suppose if I want to trade this one, Nifty put. Okay, it's running at 137 or 135 whatever price, and I want to set the 10% as a target and 5% as SL, and trailing point also I want to set 1% as a trailing point. And if I click on this P buy button, it will send a order to the broker, and on the same time it will send set target and set SL also, not to the broker, it will be on your trade only, as previously it used to work. Simply click on this P buy button. See how it's working. See, it's set to 10% as a target and 5% as SL. See, we bought at 134 rupees, and our target is at 137, and stop loss 5%, that is 127, and trailing point also 1.1%, 1.34 rupees. You can change this, you can change this any of the stop loss or target by clicking on this plus button. Okay, simply click on this plus minus button, or you can do one more thing, like you can modify like this also, set it. Okay, you can set like this also 40, or you can change your trailing point also. Simply set change like this. Okay, like this we can change our trailing point, stop loss, target, everything. It will update automatically. Okay, now close this all position. After closing this all position, if you want to log out from this terminal, simply click on this setting button. Okay, from here we have this logout button. Previously we had a logout button here only, but now we have in this setting button logout. Okay, click on this setting button, then click on this logout. It will simply log out. Okay, thank you.